Hey creatives, today is your reminder that growth is not steady. What am I going to do with you? It happens in fits and starts. There are growing seasons and there are quiet seasons where no growth is really measurable. There are dry seasons and cold seasons where the thing that's growing seems to shut down for a while and maybe go to sleep. There are seasons where those branches are absolutely bare. But it doesn't mean the thing is dead or that it has stopped growing. It's just in one of those dry seasons. Bye. Your art grows in seasons. Your talent does not have a constant trajectory. You're going to work hard. You're going to learn. Sometimes you're going to have seasons of major productivity where you are just creating stuff left and right, and it is great. And then sometimes it goes really quiet in here, and there's just not a lot coming out of you. This is all normal. This is all natural. You are not a machine. You are a living thing. And there is not a living thing on this planet that grows without any kind of change or bump or valley in its process. This means when you hit a dry season, don't panic. Number one, keep in mind, it will pass. All your creativity and productivity will return. Number two, remember, you still need to water yourself. You still need to feed yourself. Even during these dry, quiet seasons, you still need those nutrients, so take them in. Number three, it'll do you good to keep moving, to keep creating, even if it's lousy creation. That's not the point. Daily creativity means you make yourself make the thing, whether or not it feels okay. And right back to point one, it will pass. You'll feel better again soon, I promise. That's just how it works. So if you're in a dry or cold season, don't panic. Take a deep breath, keep moving forward, then sit down with me and let's make something new.